Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some healthy apple pie bars. They're basically like healthy apple pie but in a delicious bar form. Perfect coming into the cooler weather and for a great healthy fall dessert. So let's go ahead and jump in. So to make these apple pie bars, I'm starting off with some almond flour, and to that I'm adding apple pie spice, but you can also just use plain cinnamon if that's what you have, some vanilla for flavor, and some coconut oil, which adds some great healthy fats and helps it bind together. For a touch of sweetness, I'm adding some maple syrup, and then we are just going to stir that all together. And this is so delicious because it's full of great healthy fats. It's full of protein from the nuts, which are going to be satisfying. It has vitamin E, magnesium, and all these wonderful things that give you that decadence and satisfying feeling when eating a dessert. So all you need to do is stir that together and then remove a quarter of it because we are going to be using that for the topping and then the other part of it for the base. So I'm using some parchment paper in a loaf pan, and I'm going to press down our dough to make the crust or the base part of our apple pie bars. Go ahead and push that down, and then we're going to pop that in the oven for 7 minutes. While that's in the oven, we can go ahead and assemble our filling. So I'm cutting up an apple. You can choose your favorite kind of apple. I love to keep the skins on because the skin of the apple just has so many vitamins and minerals in it. But if you prefer, you can definitely take the skin off. But like I said, I like to keep all of those wonderful nutrients in the apple. So go ahead and chop that up into small pieces and add that into your bowl. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in some lemon juice. This adds some vitamin C as well as some wonderful flavor and really helps the apples get a nice texture. And then I'm also adding in some tapioca flour. You can also use arrowroot if you don't have tapioca, but I definitely recommend using one of the two because this makes the apples really nice and soft and jammy. They give it a wonderful texture and it really helps them cook and get that nice filling kind of flavor. So then just stir that up until everything is nice and coated. Remove your base crust from the oven and put your apples on the top of it and kind of just spread them out. And then we are going to take some of the dough we had left over and just sprinkle that over the top. You can also add some chopped nuts if you like on the top of this, like some chopped walnuts, some chopped pecans, or some sliced almonds even if you want that added bit of crunch. And then we are going to pop this back in the oven for 25 minutes. Once they're done, you will have these delicious apple pie bars. They're basically like apple pie in bar form. They are so delicious, perfect for fall, and lots of warm cinnamon flavor. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what healthy fall recipes you'd like me to create because we are just getting started with fall and I can't wait to bring you guys more healthy, delicious recipes. And I will also leave my last healthy dessert video here on the screen so you can watch that after this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.